Spruce trees are a group of evergreen coniferous trees that belong to the genus Picea and the family Pinaceae. They are native to the northern hemisphere, with species found in North America, Europe, and Asia. Let's explore some of the key aspects of spruce trees. Leaves. Spruce trees have needle-like leaves that are attached individually to their branches. The needles are typically arranged spirally around the branches and can vary in color from blue-green to dark green. They are usually sharp and have 4 sides. Cones. Spruce trees produce cones that are often pendulous, hanging downward. The cones are typically cylindrical in shape and have papery scales. They can vary in size depending on the species, and they contain the seeds of the tree. Bark. Spruce tree bark is usually thin and scaly, and it can range in color from gray to reddish-brown. The bark may become rough and furrowed with age. Habitat. Spruce trees are adapted to cold and cool climates and are often found in boreal forests, subarctic regions, and mountainous areas. They can thrive in a wide range of soils, from sandy to clay, and are often found in areas with acidic soils. Ecology. Spruce trees provide important habitats for a variety of wildlife, including birds, mammals, and insects. They are often used as nesting sites for birds, and their dense foliage provides shelter for animals during harsh winter conditions. Spruce trees also play a role in carbon sequestration, as they absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Timber. Spruce wood is light in color, often pale yellow or white, and is known for its straight grain and fine texture. It is commonly used for a wide range of purposes, including construction lumber, furniture, and paper production. Cultivation. Spruce trees can be grown from seed or propagated through cuttings. They are often planted for reforestation and timber production, as well as for ornamental purposes in gardens and parks. Species. There are several species of spruce trees, including the Norway spruce, Colorado spruce, white spruce, black spruce, and blue spruce, among others. Each species has its own unique characteristics, such as needle length, cone size, and habitat preferences. Uses. In addition to timber production, spruce trees have been used for various purposes by humans throughout history. Indigenous peoples have used spruce for making shelters, canoes, and tools. Spruce resin has been used for medicinal purposes, and the needles and twigs have been used to make teas and as a source of vitamin C. Threats to spruce trees. Spruce trees face several threats, including logging, habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change, pests and diseases, and air pollution. Climate change, in particular, can have a significant impact on spruce trees, as it can affect their habitat suitability and make them more vulnerable to pests and diseases. In summary, spruce trees are an important group of evergreen coniferous trees with a wide range of species and uses, from their needle-like leaves and pendulous cones to their valuable timber and ecological importance. Spruce trees are a fascinating and integral part of many ecosystems and human cultures around the world. Traditional uses. Spruce trees have been used for various traditional purposes by indigenous peoples. The needles and twigs were used to make teas that were believed to have medicinal properties, and the bark was used to make clothing, baskets, and mats. The roots of spruce trees were used for making rope and baskets, and the pitch was used as a waterproofing material for canoes and baskets. Christmas trees. The spruce tree has also become a popular Christmas tree, with the Norway spruce being one of the most common species used for this purpose. The dense foliage and attractive shape of spruce trees make them a popular choice for holiday decorations. Wildlife. Spruce trees provide important habitat for a variety of wildlife, including birds, small mammals, and insects. They offer cover and nesting sites for birds, and their cones provide a source of food for a variety of animals. Climate change. Climate change is a significant threat to spruce trees, as it can alter their habitat suitability and make them more vulnerable to pests and diseases. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can also affect the timing of key life cycles events, such as flowering and seed production. Conservation. Efforts to conserve spruce trees are underway around the world, including through the creation of protected areas and the development of disease-resistant varieties. Reforestation and restoration projects are also being undertaken to help us toward damaged or degraded spruce forests. In conclusion, spruce trees are an important group of evergreen coniferous trees with a wide range of uses and ecological importance, from their needle-like leaves and pendulous cones to their valuable timber and traditional uses. Spruce trees are a fascinating and integral part of many ecosystems and human cultures around the world. However, they face significant threats from human activities and climate change, and efforts to conserve and protect them are essential for their continued survival.